Hello students, today we are going to learn how to use the Lexis Advanced platform. So for that purpose you need to enter your login ID and then password. After entering these two, you have to click on sign in button. Then you can land to the Lexis Advanced platform. Here you can able to see this is the red box, which is very important to search the information by publication, by citation, by jurisdiction. So one by one I will tell you. Apart from that, you can able to view here publications. For example, here you can say Bare Acts are there, Madras Law Journals, criminal cases, Madras Law Journal civil cases, labor law journals. Then some important ebooks, standard ebooks available over here, and then commentaries. So for example, if you want to search Halsbury's Laws of England, so for that you need to click the jurisdiction options. If you click over here, there are number of countries. For example, India, Hong Kong, Malaysia. By default it is India, but you want to search Halsbury Laws of England. So for that purpose you need to click United Kingdom. After clicking this, the jurisdiction means UK jurisdictions tab appeared over here. After that, just click on, just type on Halsbury, then it will appear over here. So here it is showing Halsbury Laws of England. Then you need to click on table of contents. After clicking table of content, you can land to the Halsbury Laws of England page. This is the Halsbury Laws of England page. Here within the Halsbury Laws of England you can able to search, you can able to perform various search term as well. But if you want to see alphabetically topics, here you can see, for example, agency topic available in volume 1 and amended in 2017. Same thing, other topic also they have arranged over here. For example, if you want some material related to judicial review, for example, so for that purpose I need to go J option. Where is the J? Yeah, judicial review I want. So this particular topic has been amended in 2018. It is updated by the Lexis Advanced and it is available in this particular platform. If you want to download this topic, you have to click over here. After clicking this button,